is called Curious George. This one's very short, very simple. The moves are the exact same for the chorus and the verse, so you should be able to pick up right up on it. So let's start. It's going to go chorus, verse 2, end with the chorus, and at the end, the chorus, you actually repeat it twice, okay? So let's just go over the chorus first, okay? It's very, very simple. This is like a beginner-friendly dance to do, okay? So you're going to kick out single, single, double, kick. Act like I used to play soccer whenever I was little. So act like you are kick, 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 single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, all right? So you're going to kick single, single, double, single, single, double one time, all right? So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from there, you're going to step out. You are going to cross your legs, turn to the front, elbows right, left, pull down. Now remember, when you pull down, you're crunching your stomach, your arms are tight, your hands are tight, all right? So let's go over that again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now, you repeat that for a total of 2 times during the chorus for the first chorus and the chorus after the first verse. After the second verse, you're going to repeat it for 2 times, so a total of 4 times doing that. So let's just do it 2 times. Remember, at the end, you'll do it 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. That's the chorus, okay? I said it's easy, but I'm like out of breath, okay? So it is still, even though it's easy and people can follow along with it, very simple, you're still going to get an incredible workout doing it. So let's go into the verse portion of this. Remember, verse 1 and 2 are the exact same. So we are going to do that travel move, okay? So we're going to do it for 2 times, okay? So you're going to pick it up right, left, again, hit right, left, okay? Total of 2 times. So you're going to go back to the front. You are going to punch right, left, left. If you see, I also did cheerleading, okay? So tight arms, okay? And crunching your stomach every time you do that. So a punch, you're punching out. Your arm is tight, okay? So if you hit down, your arm should not move. You're also crunching your stomach at the same time. So you're going to punch forward, punch out, punch forward, punch out, okay? And then you're going to circle, 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 circle. Think you're putting on your deodorant, okay? So your arm goes in, okay? So you're going to hit 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, you're going to step, turn to the back, okay? Follow me from the back, okay? So from there, you're going to do the exact same move, but you're facing the opposite direction, okay? But we're going to do the exact same thing we learned. Pick up your right. You're going to hit right, left, left, punch, right, left, circle, 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 turn to the front. All right? Simple. You do that for a total of 2 times. So the chorus is 2 times, the verse is 2 times. Easy, okay? It's all the same except at the end, you do the verse 2 times. So a total for 4. So let's do 1 full chorus, 1 full verse together. You remember you can always go back and go over if you need it. If you're ready, after we get done, then you can do it with the music. If you need more time, which is fine, you can go back and go over the moves again. So let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knees up, hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arms out, hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. It's a good workout, all right? If you're ready, let's do it with the music. If not, go back and try it more until you're comfortable, but you got this. All right. Kick it out, sing a single double.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything.
Step it out, turn. Elbows out, pull down. Crunch your stomach.
Curious George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war.
Step it out, turn.
Turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Knees up, pick it up.
Surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.
Knees up, up.
Maneuver in science to let them in, talk up their body, another one.
Punch down, punch,
out, some secrets, I'm shaking the game, so they stay on their toes.
Out, turn to the back, knee up, hit.
So they overlook me, they're not double up again, none of their nose. Cold, they just got
you'll
lucky,
get
but
it.
never adapted, so I'm to the
Punch down, punch,
my enemies
out,
close.
punch,
I let them think that they got me, but what do you
circle,
know? I had them beat before we ever spoke.
turn
I'm ready
to
for
the
smoke.
front,
I need
kick
to
it
know
out.
everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything.
Step out, turn. Elbows out, pull down. Again. So you have options, you can turn or stay to the front. Hit.
Turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Again.
They ain't go harder than me. They need a blade and a sheath, a shank and a piece. A plane full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea. Whether it's a marine, an ace up they sleeve.
Your stomach.
Marines, a freak on a leash, a bitch with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they will lay on my feet.
Turn to the back, knees up.
I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and set my teeth till it is all done. I think it's all
turn
fun.
to the back, knees up.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear
Step
what
it out,
you're saying,
turn.
but act like it's new what you're telling me.
Crunch your stomach.
George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for roast, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Keep it going.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything.
This is your last round.
Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me.
One more time.
Curious George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for roast, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.